arrested on Tuesday.
EKUIRWO na ARIA ni hamwe na MCA wa wandi ya KANYENYAINI kaunti-ini ya MURANG'A Grace NDUTA kana City aria makuruhanitio na Ciira wa Koimburi MIGWATE kwa MUMBUNGE wa JUJA ta uria maafitha a uthuthuria makoretwo makiuga ni marekereirio ni igoti ria milimani na mbeca baribari ciringi 300,000 o mundu.
We will grant the respondents pre-charge bail but on the following conditions. Condition number 1. Each respondent shall be released on a bond of 1 million plus one surety of a similar amount. In the alternative, each respondent may be released on a cash bail of 300,000 with 2 contact persons. The respondents are barred from communicating with any of the witnesses either by themselves, their agents, or their proxies. The respondents will report to the investigating officer weekly or whenever summoned to the police station until the court otherwise directs. And lastly, the prosecution may be at liberty to apply for the cancellation of the bail terms granted to the respondents herein in the event they breach conditions.
Rushine rwa muthe igoti ria milimani kuria atatu aya megukinyitio maafitha a uthuthuria ni mekuhoete igoti rimetikirie kumahingira thiko 15 niguo kurikiriria uthuthuria wao wigie gukuruhanio kwa anaya Ciira wa Koimburi undu uria igoti rireganire naguo na EKUIRWO aya marekereirio na riu Ciira uyu ukagwetwo tariki 17 mweri ukite.
36A of the Criminal Procedure Codes, it provides an investigating officer may make an application for pre-charge detention supported by an affidavit detailing the reasons why a suspect should be detained. The question therefore to be answered in this ruling is whether the state has demonstrated compelling reasons to warrant the continued detention of the respondents. And Article 49H of the Constitution, it entitles every accused person the right to be released on bail or bond on reasonable conditions pending a charge or trial unless there are compelling reasons not to be released.
Gukinyeria riu maafitha a borithi mahungite mahuri na kwandika ndumiriri cia andu atano na mekuire mumbunge uyu wa JUJA George Koimburi niwe wathugundire giko gia kwinyita migwate giko kiria gikuruhanitie MCA Grace NDUTA kana City uria waikirio ngono muthenya wayo kwerikanite mari na Koimburi utuku wa kiumia mbere yaonekanite kiroko mugunda-ini wa kahua.
Alikuwa pale.
Maafitha a uthuthuria ni merire igoti THENGIA wa City kuga tariki 25 mweri uyu we ari kanitha-ini wa Kangema na agicoka guthie mucemanio wa kiuteti wira wonanitie ari mukawa-ini wa Ellis mwena wa Kiganjo gatundu ya muhuro mari na mumbunge uyu na muthi ucio niguo riboti cianyagirio nenda-ini ati Koimburi ni anyititwo migwate na ndaronekana. Aria maikitio ngono ni Peter Kirato uria ni muikariri giti wa kigina gia CDF kia JUJA David Macharia Gatana na Cyrus Muhia aria ni athiriti a hakuhi a Koimburi. Ngirifuatera Kameme TV ni njitagwo Wangui wa Mwiruri.